Professor Lyn Beazley's love for science began as a teenager when she visited the home of Charles Darwin.
I actually looked through his own microscope at his specimens and I was hooked. I wanted to be a scientist.
She studied zoology, but then by chance attended a lecture about repairing the brain after injury.
It was a big call. People thought we couldn't do it then. It's still a hard call, but we're working towards it. And that became my life's work.
That work has focused on the regeneration of brain and spinal cord nerve cells. There's been progress, but there's one thing Professor Beazley craves to see.
If we could get nerves to grow 1 or 2 centimetres, that could make the difference of being on a respirator and having very little function, to being able to feed yourself, write your name, even drive a car. That would be absolutely awesome.
Professor Beazley was Western Australia's chief scientist from 2006 to 2013 and continues to be one of science's most passionate advocates.
One of my heroes is Sir David Attenborough. He's putting it on the line now. We have to get people on board. So scientists have to speak in simple, straightforward terms.
Just like Sir David, Professor Beazley has a fascination with biodiversity, especially in her home state.
We have 1,500 new species of flowering plants in WA we've yet to actually name.
But a species of sea sponge discovered off Rottnest Island in 2005 does have a name. Hers.
Manahini Lyn Beazley. It's one of the greatest honours in my whole life.
She hopes that being elected as a fellow will allow her an even greater platform to champion science.
I believe Australia has to be science central for the world, for a better planet, environmentally, economically, socially and culturally. The Academy very much is a leader in that. To play a part within that for me is really special.